we'll guide you through how to make AutoCAD background white. Quick disclaimer, skipping a single step will affect your final result, so you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, begin by launching AutoCAD. Double-click the AutoCAD icon on your desktop or select it from the Start menu to open the application. After that, open a drawing by clicking New to create a new drawing or open to access an existing .dwg file. Once the drawing appears in the workspace, click inside the command line, type Options, and press Enter. You can also click the Application menu, icon in the upper left corner, and select Options. When the Options dialog box opens, click the Display tab near the top of the window. Under the Window Elements section, click the Colors button to open the Drawing Window Colors dialog box. Locate the Context drop-down menu and select 2D Model Space, which controls the appearance of the main drawing workspace. Next, locate the Interface Element drop-down menu and select Uniform Background. Then locate the Color drop-down menu on the right side of the dialog box and choose white from the list of available colors. Review the preview window to confirm that the model space background has changed to white. Once you are satisfied with the preview, click Apply and Close to save the new background color and return to the Options dialog box. Click OK to close the dialog box and apply the changes to the AutoCAD workspace. Return to the drawing area and verify that the model space background has changed from the default black color to white. If the new background does not appear immediately, close and reopen the drawing or restart AutoCAD. You can now continue working with your drawing using the new white background. This change only affects the appearance of the AutoCAD workspace on your screen and does not modify the colors of your drawing objects or affect how the drawing is printed or exported to PDF.